Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video we are going to learn how to do a proper joints in a Solidworks using elements. So as you can see in Formula SAE there are lots of joints coming over here. Like I have five members jointing at a one node. So what to do for a proper corner joints, or to make each and every member very specific for manufacturing. So to ease the manufacturing method, what you can do, you can simply apply the weldments, as I have uploaded the previous video on that. So you can go through. So what I will do, I will just do edit this, and as you can see in the first group I have added the 4 members. In second group I have added this 3 members, that is a seam. And for to check whether it is coming on which group, yes, so basically these 5 members are in 3 groups. In the first group second group these 2 members are included, in the first group these two, and in the third group this one. So it is better to create many groups to create a proper joints, and you have the more accessibility for corners. So if I want to edit this corner, what you can do, you can just simply click on the node, this one, and yes, you will able to edit the corner joint. Like let's say if I want to trim this joint in a trim order, so you have 3 options: the first trim order and the second. Yes, if I do second, yeah, as you can see there's a joint changing here, right? So what you can do, you can go to third, it is not good, so I will click here as a first. Then you can create the end butt, which is something look like this, and you can create the third one. Yeah, so you can see this member is extended and this member coming over this member. So according to your application you can change your corner joints. As you can see, I will go to the trim order 2. In trim order 2 this joint is perfect, but let me try something else. So as you can see, I'm changing the trim orders, which is changing the cutting radius of the this members. And in the second, you are available for the different kinds of option here. So what I will do, I will create the end meter. Okay, and if I edit the third member, the third trim order, which is about 2, no, I will do 3. Yes, there's no option here for the corners, so it is up to you how you can create the groups, and yes, how you can precisely arrange your members. If you can see, these joints are properly welded with each other. Yeah, that's how you can create joints. This was the quick corner treatment for those who are planning to notching, like who want to perfect the notch. So this video is for them. Thank you, keep supporting and keep sharing this video. We'll make more videos on that. Thank you.